Yo guys, and welcome back to this new update video here on the channel. On today's update video, I'm going to discuss the Bitcoin price action where we have been seeing a very significant correction. Like you can see right now on the 1 hourly candles, we discussed that we were creating a bull flag. After that, we broke towards the upside, we retested the resistance, and then we start to increase, and then we saw a very significant fake out. So in today's video, I will be explaining what this fake out right now is doing here. Do we have to be getting worried? Are we going to see another significant correction down here? Or are we just going to continue the trend up here? So if you want to be finding out about the next move that Bitcoin is about to get creating, make sure that you're going to watch this video at least till the end here. And of course, make sure as well that you are right now subscribed to this channel, so you're definitely not going to miss out on any further content that we're going to drop on you guys. So as well, make sure that you're going to smash up the likes right now here, since the more people that are going to smash up that like button, the more viral cryptocurrency content is going. And the more viral cryptocurrency content is going on YouTube, the more people will be getting exposed to it. So make sure that you're going to smash up the likes right now here. It will be truly helping out the channel, and you will be truly helping out the cryptocurrency industry as well here. So with this out of the way, let me right now start off with discussing the Bitcoin 1 hourly chart. So, like you know, yesterday we were talking about a very significant parallel channel towards the downside, aka a bull flag, because we were seeing a very significant move towards the upside. Then we're seeing downward / parallel consolidation, towards the downside. Then we of course broke out through the top side. We retested this level of resistance as support, and while we were retesting this level as support, we started to move up here. And of course, we were seeing an approximately 2.5%, 2% surge here. So this 2% surge was, of course, very beautiful to see. But while I was asleep, I could not be updating you guys. So if I was awake, I was for sure going to tell to everyone that we were seeing a very significant bearish divergence. So you can see over here, like you probably already know if you're familiar on this channel, we are loving to trade on momentum waves on Bitcoin. And you could clearly have been seeing over here, we have been forming a higher high and a lower high here on the MACD, on the RSI. And this is basically as well telling us, okay, we're losing the momentum. As well, you could have been looking for extra confirmations. And if you're willing to look at extra confirmations, you were as well seeing on the money flow, we were forming a lower high. As well on the MACD, we were forming a lower high. So basically, all the momentum indicators were flipping bearish on this point while Bitcoin was trying to reach the $50,000. So for sure, if I was awake, unfortunately I wasn't, of course, I would have been trying to alert you guys that I was at least trying to take some profits over there. So yeah, since forming that bearish divergence over there, we started to move down, we started to see correction, and the price dropped very significantly. Right now, you can be still talking about this very important level. And it was not loading up for a second. So right now, of course, while we are decreasing, you can see still we're getting supported by downward slope support line. But if I'm going to be very honest right now, it looks to be, first of all, we are still in an uptrend. We are still forming, of course, right now. It looks to be at least in higher low. That's, of course, pretty bullish. As well, if we're looking to this high, we're forming right now as well in higher highs. So, yeah, the 1 hourly candles are right now looking pretty bullish, to be very honest. If I'm looking purely to the market structure, if I'm looking to the momentum indicators, I mean, we are looking neutral because, we were getting a trend reversal signal on the all the momentum indicators over here, like I told you earlier on. So this could be maybe, shock me a little bit here. So if I'm as well going to set up a Fibonacci, you can see right now, Bitcoin is trying to break through the golden pocket entry. If we're going to create a huge wick on the top side and we're not able to break through the 0.382 here, aka the 48.4k level, we are going to see for sure lower price targets getting reached here. And that's of course already a thing that I'm expecting if we are not going to see this 1 hourly candle close above this 0.382 in the Bitcoin price action. So as we're not going to do that, we are for sure going to see maybe a pullback once again towards the 47.5k before maybe after that starting to move up here. But I will be, of course, discussing what we're going to see here on the little bit of a bigger picture in a moment, while I'm going to discuss, of course, the 4 hourly candles. So right now you could be approaching the Fibonacci like that here as well. If you're going to purely let's go to the 15-minute candles and purely look at this huge drop-off over here, and let me set up the Fibonacci perfectly. You can see right now that we're as well getting a very significant correction by the golden pocket, the resistance target right now. So swing high towards swing low, and we are looking for some retracement, resistance levels. And you can see that we're right now finding very massive resistance on the 48.5k, like of course expected on this Fibonacci. So yeah, it looks quite worse, to be very honest. As soon as we're going to see a 15-minute candle and even a 30-minute candle, I want to be seeing several confirmations, of course, above this level. We could be starting to move up once again here, but for now, I will be remaining very careful right now with Bitcoin, especially if you're going to trade it towards the upside. I should be, of course, getting extremely worried right now. So make sure that you're going to pay attention towards it. It looks to be that the momentum is shifting towards the downside. The 1 hourly candles is signifying right now is a trend reversal, and that is a thing that I want to be trying to raise the awareness on. So let me move further on towards it, and let's discuss the 4 hourly candles. So yeah, the 4 hourly candles, I mean, yeah, I'm right now a little bit bearish on the 1 hourly candles, like I told you already just a moment ago. Right now, if we're going to look at the 4 hourly candles for Bitcoin, it looks to be, of course, we were in a downtrend over here. Then we started to set a higher high. And of course, since we were setting a higher high than the previous high, this could be, of course, confirming an uptrend right now. And we're just going to form, once again, a higher low. So yeah, for sure, we could be still moving up from here on. But it will be definitely likely to see maybe another minor move back here towards the 47.5K before really moving up towards the upside. So yeah, it is right now as well Sunday. It is weekend. I should highly suggest, of course, at least that will be my strategy. Of course, no financial advisor whatsoever. I will be staying away from trading today here, since I definitely think it's too risky right now to open a trade here around these ranges that we're right now trading on. And especially because it is weekend right now here. So yeah, the market is looking to be in a downtrend on the 1 hourly candles, and the 4 hourly candles could be starting to move up again here. So it is basically 50-50 where we're right now heading towards, and it's just waiting for a reversal. But right now we're still in a downtrend, so please be careful. I'm not seeing a clear reversal signal yet here. And of course, guys, if I'm going to see a clear reverse signal, and if I'm going to see a very good opportunity in terms of risk to reward, I will be trying to announce it once again here on my Twitter page at RoverCRC. Make sure to hit that follow button over there, because if you're following me already on Twitter, you are staying up to date about all these developments that we are right now seeing in the market, and you could be, of course, yeah, completely follow us for free. So make sure that you're already going to do so, because yeah, following us for free is is very nice here, because we're giving all these calls here, and a lot of people are asking a lot of money for it, that we are just doing it for the community, of course. So make sure that you are going to check that out here as well. For all the people that are willing to join us on the next trade here, you could be right now signing up as well with Bybit in the link in the description, and you will be getting a very nice deposit bonus of $3,000. So definitely worth to check that one out here. So let me right now go over the 4 hourly candles once again here. Of course, I told you already, we are clearly in an uptrend right now. As well, we're going to look at this falling wedge on the Bitcoin price action. Yeah, we broke towards the upside, and we could be for shields go towards our price target around to 50.5K here. But if I'm right now going to set up a Fibonacci here for Bitcoin, I want to be paying attention towards this Fibonacci, of course. So you can see this is a very easy Fibonacci to look at, and a very important to use as well here. This Fibonacci is going to already, I will be telling you this to everyone, going to show you a lot of significance. So swing high towards swing low for the Fibonacci, and this will be giving you some retracement / resistance levels for the Bitcoin price action on the 4 hourly candles. What we're right now basically seeing here is that Bitcoin massively got rejected by the 0.786 here, aka the 49.6K here. This level, of course, providing massive amounts of resistance for Bitcoin, like it was doing in the past as well here, if you're looking purely at horizontal resistance. So yeah, right now we got rejected by this level again, and we got supported by the golden pocket entry. So this was, of course, for sure a good long position that you could have been taking. Unfortunately, once again, going to say it, I was still asleep here, so I couldn't take it. And right now, I mean, I was probably already not going to trade it, since I think still it's a minor scalp that you could be taking towards the 0.5. So this could have been, I think, a 2% move or so, a 1.4%, well, yeah, 1% move basically. Yeah, for sure, you could have been catching it towards the upside, but for me, I was still staying on the sidelines, because I don't like to trade on these scalps right now here. I would rather wait for a better opportunity where I could be literally take, let's say, 100% or so. So I'm already looking forward towards that next major opportunity that we're about to get here. But right now, we have to wait a little bit longer till we're going to get this major opportunity here in the Bitcoin price action. So yeah, we are right now running in towards the 0.5 here. This is going to be major resistance for the Bitcoin price action, in my opinion. This is going to be, of course, holding us back like it was doing in the past, like it was doing over here. And of course, as soon as we're going to see a 4 hourly candle close above the 0.5 once again here, so another hour and 7 minutes on the time of recording, if we're going to see a 4 hourly candle close above this level, and you should be paying attention towards this as well once this video is live here, of course, yeah, we could be starting to move up again towards the 0.618. And if we're not able to close this 4 hourly candle above the 0.5, aka the 48.4K level, we are going to see for sure another retracement back towards this golden pocket entry, in my opinion. And we could be maybe even to start move down further on here. So yeah, 0.5 is going to be an extreme important level here in the current ongoing trend. You can see as well in the past, this level, of course, over here is well providing very strong support. I want to be raising the awareness. This is going to be a major important level here that you should be paying attention towards. So yeah, this is for sure a thing to look at right now here on the Bitcoin price action. It's going to be very important where we're going to close this 4-hourly candle, and this will be as well deciding where the next, where Bitcoin will be heading towards on this coming day here. As soon as we are going to close this 4-hourly candle below the 0.5, we are going to see the next of the day be probably a little bit more red here. If we're going to close it above it, we're probably going to see the rest of the day be a little bit more green here. So make sure that you're at least going to pay attention towards this next move that Bitcoin is about to get creating here. And of course, where this 4-hourly candle is going to close here. And then Bitcoin on the daily candles. I still want to be saying this to all the holders out there. You want to be getting extremely cautious right now here. I mean, yeah, we are still moving up, and I will be right away saying it. We're probably or most likely going to still visit the 50K, but I will be taking some very severe profits if we're going to reach it once again here. Because personally right now, I'm expecting a huge pullback before we're going to move up back towards a new all-time highs once again here. Because I expect a pullback maybe towards the 40K, 42K before, yeah, we are going to move up once again. And the reason why I am saying so here, let me remove these ugly drawings real quickly. It's basically because all the momentum indicators. So yeah, like I've been addressing and of course discussing every single day here, all the momentum indicators are already looking extremely bearish. The RSI, of course, forming a downtrend. MACD telling us that we're seeing a trend reversal signal, and as well we are having the money flow index as well giving us a signal we're about to see a trend reversal. So yeah, all the momentum indicators right now telling us that we are about to see a trend reversal, and we're about to correct to very significant levels around 40 to 42K here. Make sure that you're going to pay attention towards this. This is definitely a thing that I want to be raising the awareness on, because yeah, probably everyone will be thanking me after, and right now everyone will be hating me because I'm saying this, but I'm always a realistic trader, and my next major long position is probably going to be around the 40 to 42K here. I can't wait to see once we are going to visit that level, because that will be providing us a major opportunity, of course, to climb back here towards new highs here. And maybe, of course, if we're going to go to the 40K, the wheels are going to fake us out towards the 48K before really 38K before moving up here, because they want you to think that we are still in a bear market, and they want you to think that we are right now in a bear market while we are just in the middle of a bull market. So guys, this was already it for today's video. Thank you so much for tuning in once again here. Make sure to smash up the likes, and we'll check you guys later today in another update video. Peace out.